Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I believe the last time that I was here, we were checking out cookers. I was window shopping for cookers. That was a few months ago. I'm back. I'm sorry, I've been a bit busy. But here I am. So finally I did get the cooker, and usually I'm not someone who will probably document when I've got a new appliance or something like that. But the cooker represents so much for me. It's something I've wanted for a long time, but it wasn't a priority yet. And I'm glad to finally have it. So let's see what I got. So I've had this Kawan burner for the longest time, and I know for some of you, I mean, having a cooker is just an automatic thing. It's not anything fancy, but for me, I've always wanted one because one, I love to bake. I have been using a jiko, but you know, using a jiko is so tiresome. You have to keep changing the charcoal, checking the temperature, and all that. And then another thing is a work from home mom, and you know, having a child who's in school, I take so much time cooking with this one burner. You can imagine if I'm cooking say ugali and stew and greens, and I have to make tea, I have to wait for each dish to get cooked and to move to the next one. But having this new cooker has been game changing. In the excitement, I decided to go to Pandamat to try and get some baking trays, oven gloves, you know, just fancy two things, you know, to put in the kitchen now that I have a new cooker. I'm so excited. Please don't mind me. I know, like I said, this might be an obvious thing for some of you, but for me, it's an interesting addition in my kitchen. And yeah, so I'm just here. You know, obviously when you come to these shops, you have to window shop a bit. There's no way you go to like Pandamat, China Square and such shops and you just get one thing that you went there for. So here I'm just checking out some candles, some scents. I don't think I ended up getting anything from this section, but let me just show you the prices of some things for anyone who may not have been here. Hey, these vases, they were so gorgeous, but the price for another day. So let's take a look at some of the things that I got from Pandamat. It wasn't much, just a few cute items here and there. I didn't even get much of the things I had gone to get. So this is hair sort of towel. And this is how I've been using it when I wash my locks. So at least I can stay that way until the hair dries. Very cute. It was the cheapest one. Some beauty blenders. Squeezy, I'm trying to use makeup often. Mostly foundation. Some hair clips. I don't even know why I got this because they don't even fit my hair. So I'll just give them to my sister. More hair stuff. I think I mostly just got things for my hair instead of the kitchen. Just more hair stuff. Like a spray bottle. This is the only kitchen item I got. A kitchen towel. I got one just to try out. It's a microfiber towel. I just wanted to see if it works well so I can get more, and for sure it's very absorbent. Another thing, the hair clip, hair tie. I just got things for my hair and I'm going to get things for my kitchen, honestly. Now this was a gift for my sister. I wanted to show you the one I got for myself. I got two key holders. One I showed you for my sister, and this one is mine. I always get new key holders whenever I go to like Pandamat or China Square. In this car basket, I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Probably I'll put kitchen towels or something else. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing lately. I've been making some treats. I think I'll come up with a recipe segment. Yeah, like recipe segment, and we'll like do new recipes together and learn together. I love baking, but it's not that I'm a professional at it. But I love how homemade cakes just taste. And this really reminds me of like my times growing up. My mom used to make cakes. That's why I learned how to make cakes with a jiko. And oh my god, this just makes me miss her so much. Oh my god. Mm, this was a chocolate cake. Oh my god, this was so good. I'm yet to make a second one. I think I'll make it here so we can do it together. It was so good. So I thought since I do have the new cook, I've had it now for a couple of weeks, I think. And I thought, let me make one quick meal together with you, and maybe you could try this as well. I won't speak much. Just enjoy. This is I don't know if it has a name, but it's potatoes and sausages, but with veggies. It was so good. Just let me keep quiet and let you watch the process. This is me realizing that this is cling film and not foil. I don't know why I keep doing this. This is like the third time that I'm getting a cling film instead of foil. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and substitute and use margarine on the baking tray. I was gonna use the foil, but we'll use margarine. You could do that if you don't have the foil. Wow, check it to your foods. Check it to. I hope you get to try this. It was so good. The potatoes are crispy, the veggies are crispy. Man, it's just so good, and then it's so easy to throw down and just throw in the ingredients. So I hope you get to try this. If you do, please leave a comment down below. And you know what? Also, just appreciate the little things you do for yourself. This is just an appreciation post for myself, or video for myself. Just for the new cooker, it's such a milestone for me. I know you guys don't come for me with something so common, but for me it was such a nice gift to myself and to my household. So I hope you get to also appreciate yourself for the small things you do. You're able to get out of bed after going through a rough week, or times are tough, but you're able to still just try, get up, try to shower, try to just do the small things. You got yourself a brand new phone, you're trying content creation, whatever it is that you're doing. I really hope you get to appreciate those small milestones in your life. Bye bye.